Good morning, everyone. I'm all dressed up nice and fancy in my glad rags, and I'm ready to read you the National Simultaneous Storytime book called Whitney and Britney, Chicken Divas. It's a very fancy book. Whitney and Britney are two gorgeous chooks, fluffy and silky, with stunning good looks. They live with the elegant Dora Von Doos, and from morning till night time, the chickens just snooze. "Wake up, darling chickens," says Dora, perplexed. "I want your sweet company, not just your eggs." But Whitney and Britney doze on, counting sheep. So what are they doing when Dora's asleep? Every night the chooks leap to their feet. They hop over fences and flap down the street. Down to Club Sparkles. They have to be fast. "Come in," says Miss Razzle. "You're on at past." And on go the sequins, tiaras and bling. The curtain goes up. And the chooks start to sing. And what a performance! The crowd's in a fever. It's Whitney and Britney. It's the great Chicken Divas. Aren't they gorgeous? Back in their yard with sore wings and tired legs, the kind Chicken Divas lay Dora 2 eggs. "Morning," says Dora as she pops by the coop. But Whitney and Britney are utterly pooped. "Dozing again," Dora says with a sigh, and then a gleaming pink sequin catches her eye. "And what's this pink boa and sparkly ring? And can that be glitter on Whitney's left wing?" Dora is thinking, "Tonight I will snoop." So later that evening, she peeks in the coop. "I knew it," thinks Dora. "They're out having fun. I'm getting my glad rags. The night is still young." So she's putting on all her fancy clothes. It's late at Club Sparkles, and in the front row, a secretive stranger is watching the show. And Whitney and Britney are taking the floor. They wow and they dazzle. The crowd claps for more. "Such wonderful chooks!" cheers the stranger. "Whoopee!" But who is this stranger? The crowd turns to see. It's Dora Von Doos, the famous performer. And Whitney and Britney see their dear Dora. They rush to embrace her, sobbing with wonder. And then, being divas, they sing a jazz number. "Hurrah, hurrah for the divas!" Now Dora still lives with her 2 gorgeous chooks, fluffy and silky with stunning good looks. And during the day they all snooze and they rest, but once the night falls they are Foxy and the Chickets. Don't they look wonderful? I hope you enjoyed the story. I know I did.